3, 2, 1.
Which structure is located on the Acropolis in Athens and was completed around 438 BC? The answer is A, the Parthenon. What is the silent partner in business, and what does it do at home? Show. The answer is C, stock. In the Godfather movies, how many men did Robert Duvall's character personally kill? The answer is C, 0. Where is glycogen created and stored in the body? The answer is C, liver and muscles. What mountain is the tallest in Australia? The answer is D, Mt. Kosciuszko. Gravitropism ensures that roots grow into the soil and that shoots grow toward what? The answer is C, sunlight. What talks but says nothing? The answer is A, echo. The official language of Brazil is not Portuguese. What is it? The answer is D, German. In what Canadian group did Bruce Palmer and Neil Young perform together? The answer is C, the Mynah Birds. Which animal lays eggs but has no young? The answer is C, platypus. Which philosopher famously said, "A little philosophy inclineth man's mind to atheism, but depth in philosophy bringeth men's minds about to religion"? The answer is D, Sir Francis Bacon. When oxygen is not bound to heme and the partial pressure of oxygen is low, hemoglobin readily binds to what? The answer is B, carbon dioxide. Which vegetable is rich in vitamin C and comes from a pod? The answer is D, sweet pepper. What movie does the clique character Claire get a part in? The answer is B, Dial L for loser. Where in the body is the smallest human muscle? The answer is B, ear. What is the name of the TV show about a family with superpowers? The answer is D, The Incredibles. You have just laid down your entire hand and matched sets of 4 card books by taking cards from another player. What game have you just won? The answer is A, Go Fish. Which war ended in 1918 with the Treaty of Versailles? The answer is A, World War I. Which pyramid is the tallest in Egypt? The answer is A, the Great Pyramid of Giza. What is the symbol for helium? The answer is A, he. What is the meaning of the biblical name Paul? The answer is A, small. Which of these individuals would be more healthy? The answer is B, a teacher who sleeps 8 hours a day. The phrase love is blind was coined by Shakespeare and appears in which of the following plays? The answer is B, Two Gentlemen of Verona. What is the meaning of the Latin phrase pro bono? The answer is B, for the good. Who holds the record for most home runs in MLB? The answer is A, Barry Bonds. Which continent is the largest in terms of area? The answer is A, Asia. Who leads the attack on the gypsy camp in the movie From Russia with Love? The answer is D, Krylenko. Humans cannot survive without clean, fresh water. Reservoirs of liquid water vary, but all water spends time as a gas in the atmosphere. What is the source of most of the water in the atmosphere? The answer is B, oceans. What sort of issues can be determined by looking for certain particles in amniotic fluid? The answer is C, genetic disorders. What is the fastest-selling album in U.S. history? The answer is A, Michael Jackson's Thriller. What part of the plant, in general, is responsible for transport and storage of water and minerals? The answer is C, stems. Drafted by the Montreal Expos in 1972, the kid won 3 Gold Gloves as a catcher. He finished his career with 324 home runs and was elected to the Hall of Fame in 2003. The answer is B. What is his real name? Which sport uses a frisbee and open field? The answer is A, soccer. Because trees add water vapor to air, cutting down forests leads to longer periods of what? The answer is B, droughts. What did boxer Jack Johnson, Charlie Chaplin, and actor Errol Flynn all have in common? The answer is A, they were all charged with the same crime. When the X-Men have their mutant powers stripped in the Savage Land, who is the only mutant to escape the initial attack? The answer is B, Wolverine. What French actress starred in Louis Malle's films Elevator to the Gallows and The Lovers? The answer is A, Jean Moreau. What type of muscle is found in the walls of other internal organs such as the stomach? The answer is B, smooth muscle. A student mixed baking soda with vinegar and observed that the reaction was endothermic. When is a reaction endothermic? The answer is C, when it requires heat to make it happen. What is the tool used for zesting citrus called? The answer is B. Citrus zester. What is a point in plane geometry that is neither a part of any line nor lies on any circle? The answer is B. Infinite point. When volume does not change, temperature is proportional to what other property? The answer is C. Pressure. K2 is located in which country? The answer is A. Pakistan. Metals, metalloids, and nonmetals are the different classes of what? The answer is A. Elements. A plaster cast of a reclining Bigfoot was taken in September of 2000. What is the cast called? The answer is D. The Skookum cast. Most air masses form over what two types of regions? The answer is C. Polar and tropical. In which book does Charles Stewart Parnell appear? The answer is C. A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man. Which brand of beer does Homer Simpson drink regularly? The answer is C. Duff. Which organism has a backbone? The answer is D. Mammal. The clarinet and the oboe are both examples of which instrument family?